I was looking for a better way to hang up my keys, so I picked up this. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. Maybe you're walking out the door in the morning, jumping into your car, grabbing your car keys, grabbing your wallet, cell phone, whatever, and you want a nice place to grab them. Some people use a dish by your door, those types of things. I've always had a couple little hooks, but they've only had 2 hooks, and that's been fine when I only had a set of keys for my car and maybe my house and then maybe my lawnmower and things like that. But over the years, I've acquired more keys, and so this little bad boy has 4 hooks, you can see there, so I can hang multiple things. I can also add, as you can see here, there's plenty of extra space for hooks. So if I found a similar looking hook, I could add that in there. This is all wood, and what I really loved about it is not only is it nice and wide, and it's pretty tall as well, it's got a great kind of gray wood, almost antique, vintage, reclaimed barn wood look. Now, I would say that this is quite light, so I'm thinking that this is pine or maybe ash, and then it's stained gray, but it has a nice look. Now, what I also really liked about this is that some of these have like a pocket here, so you can put things in it, but then it's hard to see what's there. What I liked is that this actually has this little flat platform stair step type of thing, and so I can put my wallet here, maybe something that I don't want to forget to take out with me or take to work. So you can have some different things here, and they're really visible. They're easy to grab without reaching down and stuff. You won't lose things in a deep well or a pocket, and so I really like this. Now, I would say it should be pretty easy to mount. You can see we have little slots right here that you can put screws into your wall. It does come with 2 screws and 2 anchors here. So I'm going to just go ahead and measure this, attach this to the wall, and we'll see what we think. So there it is, all hung up. Got little platforms here. I think it looks good. Something you can put your wallet in. You can hang your keys from here. You can put more hooks there if you really need them over the long run. I think it's just really easy to see at a glance if you've got the things that you need in your pocket or you don't. And this thing isn't expensive, and it's easy to hang up. If you want to pick it up, I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.